Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 430, air conditioning, front dual zone AC and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.